Hey, it's Wolf, and as you can tell, things are a lot different. I'm seeing if you guys like this, okay? As you can tell, I'm playing Minecraft. But yeah. So, yeah. Tell me in the comments if you guys like this. I don't know how this is going. If you guys do like this, I will buy Minecraft. Right now I'm in a trial version, which lasts up to 90 minutes. I started about a half an hour ago learning controls and stuff. So yeah, guys, tell me what you guys think. Right now my home is over here. There's a little hole down there, and that's my stuff. I found some iron in there. You can also tell that I have like a helmet, and this is what I have. It's not really that much. Ooh, my question is, I'm on computer. Will it let me put the sword in here? No. So this is basically, this is the Bedrock edition, I'm guessing. Oh, hello, mouse. Hello. So yeah, I'm still getting used to the way this controls. But yeah, guys, as you can tell, I don't have it all. Really? Well, I usually don't anyway. Although I am working on making one. So yeah, but yeah, guys, tell me what you guys think about this. And as usual, I am using Screencast-O-Matic, as you could probably tell in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, if I hit 45 to 50 subscribers, I will do a face reveal, for this computer can use webcam. I don't remember what kind of computer this is, but I do know that it's a Chromebook. Hotswing, if you're wondering, I just got it basically. So yeah, I'm not really gonna be doing any editing in this video though. So yeah. Although there is a good chance that I can get some Xbox gameplay if you guys want that as well. Because now I have a computer, I can stream from this laptop to my Xbox and screen record it later. So yeah. And if you don't know, I have a Mixer account called Cook08, Cook08. It glitched out and it didn't change when I changed my actual Xbox username, so it's still Cook08. And 0 is my favorite number. But ow, sorry, my mouth kind of hurts. Really tired, but it's dark out and my voice kind of gets scratchy sometimes. So yeah. And as always, like, subscribe. If you subscribe, you could join my pack. What else? Also, sorry if you can hear my breathing. See if I can fix it, but I don't think I will be able to, so I'm going to move my mic 1 second. Okay, so that should be better. Now you guys can still hear it-ish. How's this? Anyways, oh, wrong button. Sorry. That was E, not W. Yeah, my house is literally right there. And I do not have the game audio on, if you're wondering. Some stuff. Let's make some boots. Bucky. Only my friend will understand Bucky. Ooh, piece of mutton I forgot I had. Yeah, control, help, game. There you go. But yeah, sorry if things go weird. This is a new setup for me. Like I said before, I just got this. Before I was using a very slow laptop, as you could tell, or not a laptop, but a computer. But this is a Chromebook of some sort. I do not remember the name or the type. If you guys want, I can look it up and tell you. But yeah. I don't know what to do right now. I have right here, up here, about in the top right-ish. Why it says computer is because that's the name of my world. And as you can tell, it's a demo because my name is Steve. But yeah, remaining time trial 5907. So yeah. I think right now, if you guys like this, I can see if I can buy the game, and I can do more on computer, and if you guys like it a lot, I can implement some mods if you guys really want. I do know a way to do that. I have done it on tablet before. Here. And if you do use tablet and you want to know how, I had a Kindle, so you should be fine, because, like, Kindle doesn't have all of the games it can. Like, I know it can't have Clash of Clans, or at least it used to not be able to. But in order to do that, you needed to get, is it right click? Yeah, it's right click to eat. I need to go fill up my bucket. But, what was I saying? I don't remember. Also, if I do stop talking, remember, I'm still getting used to doing these videos. Shout out to Jordan the Gamer. Shout out to, in the future, HotSung56 when he starts creating videos. And stuff like that. But yeah. Oh no. Back up. Although I do like, ow. Oh, there's through. I'm running away. Ah. But yeah, guys. Oh, you need to download a block launcher. I don't know what happened there. I don't know. Anyways, but yeah, that was a trident drowned, not a zombie. I think my recorder goes, that's not a zombie. But yeah, yes. Yeah, I'm still getting used to it because I keep thinking that left click is the don't like that. Is the what's it called? Oh, I keep thinking that left click is interact, but left click is like attack and use. Come here. Yeah, if you something and I keep scrolling past it, it's because I'm using the mouse wheel. Just a mouse wheel. But yeah, guys, if you, like I said, if you can get me to 45 to 50 subscribers, I will do a face reveal, and from there I will be able to do a lot more content on my channel. So if you have to, and you really want to see me do that, make a bunch of accounts and subscribe to me. I don't know. But yeah, guys, please do that, and very, very thankful if I can get 45 to 50. I know some people like PewDiePie, who's a couple million, possibly billion, I don't remember. Also, unsubscribe to T-Series right now. You need to subscribe to PewDiePie. Okay? And Jacksepticeye and Markiplier. They're my favorite YouTubers. But anyways, moving on from that to my own channel. I don't know what to do in this episode. Right now I've just been jumbling on about stuff. So I think I'll just continue mining. But yeah, guys. Actually, what I could do... Well, no, because I only have about an hour left of the demo. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do is continue to mine. But yeah, guys, if you guys really want me to do more content and a bunch of cool stuff, where's the button? There's the button. Sorry. Oh, my brightness is up max. Sorry, it's really dark. Settings. Controller video. Brightness. All the way. I'm gonna bring my FOV out to 100%, 110%. Oh. Oh no. Settings. Video. Back down to 60. Oh, I keep almost wanting to exit the entire game. Anyways, I hope that's better for you guys. I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, if you really like this, I can do this more often and install mods and stuff. And I keep repeating all of my words because I have no idea what to talk about. Right now I'm just mining and I'm trying to get stuff because I want to go through and do a bunch of really cool stuff quickly. So actually what I might do, cool stuff, but I didn't feel like it. I feel like I like survival better, so I'm not seeing much in here. I think I'm just gonna leave and watch the walls for some stuff. But yeah, I've been recording for about 11 minutes, so I have about 4 minutes left with you guys because Screencast-O-Matic, the free version, which I am using right now. Why? F5, F11, F10. Game. Please let me go into third person. Settings. Mouse. Keyboard layout. F5. What if I put it to like C? Let's try that. Oh. Hey guys. You guys can see me now. I like that. Okay. But yeah, guys. So yeah. Please get me more subscribers. I will be very thankful. But yeah, like I said, Screencast-O-Matic, the free version, which I use, which is really nice, is only allows you to do up to 15 minutes of recording. Although if I really wanted to, I can go into editing and record again and record for 30 minutes. But I don't feel like it right now. But yeah, guys. Let's move on. Big sigh, guys. Big sigh. But yeah, guys, if there's anything you guys want to see me try and do, leave it in the comments. And preferably things that don't require me to show my face, because I don't want to show my face yet in my channel. So yeah, guys, I don't know what to do. Why are there so many zombies? Look, 1, 2, there's a third one over there somewhere in 4. 5, I just saw him go down that cliff. But yeah, guys. What do I have on me? Okay, guys, I think I have an idea. I think what I'm gonna do. Oh, hi, Jade. Hi, my dog. I think what I'm gonna do is make a boat and try and use the controls on that for the last 2 minutes, 2.5-ish minutes. If I do remember correctly, you needed a wooden shovel, which I think I am because it didn't work without the wooden shovel. Wrong buttons. Oh, did I figure it out? Oh. So it is double click to get everything to that spot. So how does this work? What the heck? Ooh, drop. I believe it's shift. Yep. Well, I say trout, but it's a salmon in game. Oh. Jump gets you out too. I'm gonna put wrong button. Q. If I do remember correctly, it should just be yup. There we go. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, tell me if you want this again. Like, subscribe. If you subscribe, join my pack. Remember, guys, 50 subscribers, face reveal, and a lot more content comes to you. So, guys, that is Wolf signing off.